Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Google Keep Notes. We'll explore the fundamental differences between these two popular note-taking and organization tools. Notion provides a highly customizable, all-in-one workspace, perfect for complex projects and detailed documentation. On the other hand, Google Keep Notes excels in speed and simplicity, making it ideal for quick thoughts and reminders. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which tool best suits your personal and professional needs. Notion truly shines as an all-in-one workspace, offering unparalleled flexibility. Imagine building custom dashboards, managing projects with detailed databases, and linking hundreds of pages together seamlessly. It supports a vast array of content, from simple text to complex code snippets and embedded media. This powerful platform allows individuals and teams to create highly personalized systems for everything from daily tasks to large-scale project management, making it a powerhouse for comprehensive organization and collaboration. Google Keep Notes is the champion of quick capture and simplicity. It's designed for those moments when you need to jot down an idea in seconds, whether it's a grocery list or a fleeting thought. With its intuitive interface, you can color-code notes, add labels, and set location-based reminders effortlessly. Its deep integration with the Google ecosystem means your notes are always accessible across all your devices, making it an incredibly convenient tool for everyday, on-the-go note-taking and simple organization. So, which tool is better for you? If you require a robust system for project management, extensive documentation, or collaborative team efforts, Notion is your ideal choice. Its depth and customization are unmatched. However, if your primary need is to quickly capture ideas, manage simple lists, and set reminders with minimal fuss, Google Keep Notes will serve you perfectly. Consider your daily workflow and the complexity of your tasks. Both are fantastic tools. The best one simply aligns with your unique organizational style.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.